रुद्रताण्डव शैलगिरिशा नित्यपुरि नित्या नटन शङ्कर ज्योति विश्वा नित्यपुरि नित्या दामोदर प्रभु नित्यपुरिशा ओंकार प्रभुवे दामोदर प्रभु नित्यपुरिशा ओंकार प्रभुवे शिव शंकर गंगाधर हर 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 नित्येश्वरा शिव शंकर गंगाधर हर 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 नित्येश्वरा
Today, 8th day of the Rajarajeshwari Brahmotsavam, Devi is gracing on Ashwavagana, horse vehicle.
March 4th of 2015 this year. The day is called the Masi Magham. It's during the month of Kumbha, in the Vedic solar calendar, when the Vedic star called Magha happens. That is the day of the culmination, the peak of the Rajarajeshwari Brahmotsavam, the presence of the mother. The best day to worship Cosmic Mother happens on that day. The presence of Cosmic Mother is prevalent on the whole planet Earth and all the planets. Beautifully happens on that day. This is a time to celebrate the mother, the cosmic feminine consciousness. During this Brahmotsavam, devotees across the globe have a great opportunity of offering Lalita Trishiti Archana and Lalita Sahasranam Archana and Shri Vidya Homa during this time. If you wish to offer, you can email us to temple@nityananda.org and you can call us in the number +91 80 2727 9999.
The 8th day of Rajarajeshwari Brahmotsava was celebrated with Radhotsavam. Devi was taken in a procession to commemorate her victory over the evil forces.
Discovering your consciousness experientially is the purpose of your life. The only thing that counts in the cosmos, have you discovered your pure consciousness? Only time you spend in Vakyartha Sadas is the time you chisel yourself. You discover your consciousness, your quality of integrity, quality of authenticity, quality of responsibility, quality of enriching will just multiply million times, billion times. Vakyartha Sadas is directly doing puja to consciousness. This is consciousness declaring about itself. Understand? This is God introducing about Himself. If you just internalize, understand this one verse, you will become enlightened.
Before IA, I belonged to the older group, which believed, oh, these are all my karmas, I have to go through all this suffering, maybe I have done a mistake in my life, so I have no choice but to suffer, to go through all this. But after my IA, full of energy, full of life, full of happiness, because life can only be beautiful. Life is what you want it to be. Life is not what somebody else writes for you. You decide what is it you want. This is what Swami tells us. My life, I have done it the way I want. IA is a complete image of what you can do with your life. In 21 days, he teaches you how you can completely wipe out all the negativities of your life, all the negative energies of your life, and not even remember them. So life is full of positivity, happiness, and about creating space. If I want something, I'm sorry, I have to give you a very silly example. Even if I want a small jewelry, I don't long for it. I just create a space for it. It's in my life.
Raja Raja Dhyana Pir